The Spartans were famed for their fearsome warriors, but their training, it was brutal. Spartan boys were taken from their families at age 7 to start the agoge training program. They endured endless drills, harsh conditions, and were often given just enough food to survive, forcing them to learn survival skills. They were encouraged to steal to eat, but if caught, they were severely punished, not for stealing, but for getting caught. This relentless regimen forged some of history's toughest soldiers, ready to defend Sparta at any cost.